हाय गाइस, दिस इज मोनिका एंड यू आर वाचिंग मी ऑन फिल्मी बीट। वेल, आज मैं आपको एक ऐसे शख्स से मिलाने वाली हूँ जो इंटरनेशनल क्रश है एंड जिनका एजिंग बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है। ही इज स्टिल एज यंग एज यू कैन सी। ही इज none other than Milind Somani is here with us. Welcome to Filmy Beat.
Thank you so much. Such
Okay.
fun to be here.
Yeah. So we're talking about
International crush.
yeah, talking about this Boris Poor. Tell us
Yeah.
about your character Boris. What is it all about?
So, have you seen the trailer?
Yeah.
I say मैं Boris हूँ and then I say something. What did I say?
Now that I don't remember.
So Boris. So I'll tell you when I was first approached for this series, they had actually offered me the role of the king, which Anu Kapoor is playing, and I said I don't want to do it, because for me to play the king, I thought was too obvious, and I didn't want to do that. Then I saw this other character, Boris, who was a eunuch, and I said कि ये कौन है? ये interesting लगता है. So they said, oh, okay, that's Boris, and they told me a little bit about him because, of course, इतना development नहीं हुआ था उस समय. And I said, okay, then I want to play Boris. And they said, oh, you want to play a eunuch? I said, yeah, I would love to explore that personality, and they said, okay, and that's how it started. And then, of course, I discovered things about Boris. कि उस समय then the story was kind of being developed and the characters were being developed, and what is happening in the kingdom, what role does Boris play. So he feels कि उस समाज में काफ़ी नाइंसाफ़ी है, and especially against women, and only men are given the importance. So he, of course, is a third gender, so he probably doesn't feature anywhere. So he said, no, this is not right. Everybody should be treated as a human being, as an equal, and there should be a change. But of course, it's a king and a kingdom. You can't just challenge the king like that. So that is a kind of journey on how they, the people who are interested in fighting this injustice, how they come together and what they do, and what Boris's role in that is. It's interesting to see. So I can't tell you कि exactly वो करता क्या है. He has a space which is like it's a kind of rescue home for women, because when women are really oppressed in the city and they just have nowhere to go, he takes them in and he helps them to live a better life.
Okay, so since we have seen trailer, there is gays, lesbians, and obviously eunuch is also there. And still, if we talk about the society current scenario, people are not accepting. Though laws are passed and everything, what do you think? आने वाले time में, do you think ये change हो सकता है? लोगों की mentality, they will accept this?
Well, लोगों की mentality has been changing, definitely, for thousands of years. But very, very slowly, very gradually. So the interesting thing is to see कि ये जो समाज है, ये जो kingdom है, which was supposed to be hundreds and hundreds of years ago, एक किस्म का mindset है, एक किस्म का attitude है, patriarchal बहुत ज़्यादा है, but it's the same today. So how much has changed? And it was the same, even if you go into history 500 years ago or 1,000 years ago. In some parts of the world, most of the world has always been, as far as we know, patriarchal, where the man is in control and the man has all the power. And even today, it's still the same. Women are fighting for equality, they're fighting for equal opportunity, and all genders are fighting for equal opportunity today. So I think the most important thing is now today we recognize all genders. If you see in India, we talk about eunuchs as the third gender.
Yeah.
But there are many beliefs that people have, many ways that people see themselves, and so many genders have been identified or said that, I believe in this, and I'm this kind of person, and that kind of person. And वो सारी चीजें होनी चाहिए. Everybody is an individual, and every individual must be recognized at a human level. So that, of course, ये भी है series में. And hopefully some parts of the series will make people think more about things like that, which is basically about how every human being, irrespective of gender or race or background or wherever they come from, must have equal opportunity, must be recognized as a human, equal at every level, and must have equal opportunity.
Right. Okay, Miran, when we talk about Bollywood, we have seen कि usually लोगों का ऐसा perception होता है कि they are like कि अगर मुझे positive role ही करना है for in terms of hero, they don't want to play villain. अभी जो है scenario थोड़ा change हो रहा है and your choices are totally different. Is that the reason we are not seeing you more in Bollywood?
Yes, one of the reasons.
Okay.
So one reason is of course कि I don't do a lot of work out of choice. I like to work maybe 100 days in a year on as an actor, because there are other things also that I want to do. I have other businesses that I'm a part of, and acting, I love acting, but I don't want to do it all the time. So I look for the roles that are most interesting for me. The second thing is I don't like to repeat a role or a character or a personality. So the industry, not only in India, everywhere, has a habit of typecasting actors. You know, if an actor does well in a particular role, they want to cast again the same role for the same actor again and again. And sometimes even actors get caught up in it.
Yeah.
Whereas actors want to play different roles. I mean, that's their whole thing, that you want to play different personalities and explore different lives. But you also get caught up in it, especially if you're very popular, saying कि मेरी audience मुझे ऐसा ही देखना चाहती है, and then you get scared to experiment, which is the saddest thing for any actor. And but for me, it's been like that. So I've kind of felt my way and kept myself in a position where I can choose. I don't have to be the lead. I can be on the side. I can be a peripheral actor. I can do a part. I can be a character. So लोग मुझे कहते हैं, of course, sometimes कि no, you know, you look like a hero. You look like a lead actor. So you must play lead actor. But that doesn't really matter to me. What matters to me is the person that I'm playing.
Right.
You know? So, like I said, even here they said, okay, you're the king. I said, no, I don't want to play the king. Let me play this. I don't even know what he's doing.
Yeah.
But he looks more interesting. Let me play that. So that is there. So that also stops you, because producers, directors, studios, they also have to have the imagination to cast you.
Right.
Otherwise they'll say नहीं मिलिंद सोमन ने उसने 16 दिसंबर किया, उसने बाजीराव किया, उसने ये किया वो किया, उसमें वो अच्छा लगता है. Like a lot of people came to me and said after the first picture that I put out, which was tight close up, just my eyes and my nose, they saw the nose ring and they saw the kajal, they said अरे ये क्या है? नहीं ये मिलिंद सोमन, we love him looking macho, and we love him looking masculine, what is this? Not like I haven't done it before. You know, even as a model, I've worn kajal in my eyes and I've done fashion work and all of that. But people have this idea.
Yeah.
So as an actor, I shouldn't pay much attention. I should do my best. I should do the best work that I can. I should try and explore as much as I can, because that is why I'm an actor.
Yeah.
Right? And then if I do well, the audience will change their mind. You know? So what happened is, once the trailers, more and more trailers were released and they saw more action, more scenes, snippets, they said, oh no, this is beautiful. Like yesterday there was a trailer released and so much positive response to that. Like really, like fantastic, amazing. I really hope that's the same response after the series is released. But so far, for every trailer, every poster, not just mine, but all the actors have got a fantastic response.
Exactly.
So that is good.
Yeah. Being a public figure, there is both the sides, pros and
I mean,
cons.
I'll tell you another thing. So Shilpa Shinde,
Yeah.
who I saw in the series Bhabhi Bhabhi Ji Ghar Pe Hai. I mean, I remember when I saw it on TV, whenever, I can't remember when it was, and I watched it for another reason. But once I saw her, I couldn't get her out of my mind saying,
Bhabhi ji.
नहीं, saying, सही पकड़े हैं.
अच्छा, हाँ.
You know, and then when I saw her here,
Yeah.
she was dressed as the queen and everything. I didn't know it was the same actor.
Oh.
And suddenly I heard her and I said, I know this voice. And then somebody said, this is Shilpa Shinde. I said, okay, so what has she done? She said, this is Bhabhi Ji Ghar Pe Hai. I said, so which character was she playing? She said, this is Bhabhi Ji. And I said, oh my God, that's amazing. I mean, look at her here and look at her there. This is like a fabulous transformation.
Yeah.
So I think that's what actors love, you know. That's what they, that's the whole thing they live for. They want to play something so different, because that's where the exploration comes in. If you play the same character again and again and again, it's like an actor, you're dead. You know?
Yeah.
You're just a famous person, I
That's
think.
true. Yeah, but sometimes it happens. Like, see, if you do some new things on people criticize. There is
They
criticism.
criticize, it's okay, but as an actor, you have to do it. People criticize you in life, whatever you do, right? You don't have to be an actor for people to criticize you. You can be anything.
Yeah.
People will criticize you. I mean, but you have to be true to what you believe. You have to. Otherwise, what life are you leading? If you're just saying, oh, these 50 people will criticize me, and 20, then you do this balance, 25 people will praise me, then oh, then 50 people criticize, let me not do that.
Yeah.
You have to do what you believe. You have to do what you believe, because otherwise, it's not worth it. Right?
Right.
Yeah.
All right. And when we talk about controversies, how you deal with it? Because obviously there is
I am
negative.
totally non-controversial. I have never been, okay, not never.
Recently there was a
Really?
controversy.
Recently, really?
Yeah, on your Instagram's picture.
Well, I don't think that was a controversy because I couldn't understand it. Like I said, it's 25, 50, sometimes
Yeah.
10 and 90. Like I've been photographed nude many times in my life. First, I think maybe in 1991, 92, I did a picture that came on the cover of some newspapers. Beautiful. There was no negative response. There was no comment. Everybody said, oh, beautiful, beautiful, very nice, very nice. This is 1991. Then 1995 was the Tough Shoes ad. Then there was a lot of controversy. But that was maybe because Madhu and I were together, man and woman together. People were like, ye kya ho raha hai, ye kya ho raha hai, nahi hona chahiye, wo nahi hona chahiye, blah, blah, blah. And there was a case and it went on for 14 years. But finally we were acquitted saying, there's nothing. I mean, it's a beautiful photograph. And then some other stuff that I did. And then was this. And in fact, last year, I asked on my social media, I said, agar ye photo, with 1995 photo, agar aaj hoti, to kya hota? So, most people said, अरे कुछ नहीं, आज तो इतना सब कुछ होता है, इसमें क्या है, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. I said, okay. And then for my birthday, I put up that picture. Again, it was a spontaneous thing, nothing new for me. There's nothing bad about the picture. There's no private parts shown.
Yeah.
Nothing really objectionable except the fact that it's nude. And most people loved it. I mean, you can see the
comments,
response.
yeah.
Yeah, I never put off comments or anything. I don't delete anybody. I don't do anything. And a few people, of course, had a problem saying, internet pe kaise? They don't know what is on the internet.
Yeah.
It's not only me who is on the internet naked. I mean, there was a picture of Jennifer Lopez. Even after that, I didn't see any response to it. It was also on the Instagram and over the internet. And there are millions of non-pornographic, artistic nudes on the internet, which anybody can access. Anybody, even children, anybody can access them because there is no censorship of that kind on any of the social media platforms. They have their own rules. Instagram has their own rules, Twitter has its own rules, Facebook has their own rules, and they will remove if they feel it's objectionable, that they feel it's against their guidelines, they will remove it. But if they don't, nobody else can object. Then you have a choice. You either open Instagram or you don't open Instagram. I mean, it's up to you. So, of course, I was still surprised when some people said ki ye internet pe kaise? It doesn't make sense. या Instagram पे कैसे और नंगा क्यों? What? It's crazy. So that was it. So I don't see it as controversial. I know what is controversial, right? That if I did something that was really controversial and became a controversy, you would know. This is a conversation. This is a conversation. Some people think this is nice. Some people think that it's
not.
It's not, or it shouldn't be done, or whatever. The thing is that in India, nudity is not an offense. And there are many reasons for that. But behavior can be objectionable. Behavior where you are a nuisance in that place to somebody else. There's a man flashing his genitalia. Of course, that's objectionable. Or going and touching somebody when it's not allowed.
Okay.
So those things, objectionable behavior is obviously going to be offensive, but nudity per se,
Okay.
I think it's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Absolutely.
Great. Okay, so before ending this session, what message you would like to give to the fans and to the
इतना सारा
viewers?
बात किया, वो मैसेज नहीं मिला. वैसे तो मिलना चाहिए ना. Huh? So the message I'd like to give, well, about Porishpur for sure, is that I had a great time shooting for it. I love the character of Boris. I know that the entire team, the crew worked really hard, and it's the first season, so it's so hectic trying to figure out what works and how to make things more interesting. And your response to the trailers and to the posters and to everything that we've seen so far has been so positive. I really hope, I am looking forward to watching the first episode, and I really hope that you enjoy it too.
All right, thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Yeah.